shit, dude. This is way more intense. This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I was just getting stuck. Look at the spray on this, bro.
When I left Hua Hin, I would have never imagined this is what I'd be experiencing. I was meant to be on a quiet tropical island by now. Sun in my face, warm ocean breeze, feet in the sand, chilling, relaxing. But instead, I'm here, getting a wall of water straight to the face and the deafening roar of the waterfall smashing into the rocks right beside me. But I can't complain. Weather hasn't changed. Forecast, more pissing rain all week. Even if I made it to Koh Phayan, I'd probably be spending the next couple of days sitting inside. But if I couldn't have the beaches and I'm stuck with the rain, I can either stay inside and hope it clears up, like that'll happen in the rainiest province in Thailand, or I can try and make the most of it. So I decided I'll just keep driving south, and that was somehow the best and worst decision I could have made. It was my first time ever experiencing a hot spring, which is pretty cool, but you can only spend so long there. So soon, I decided to keep driving and try to reach Khao Sok. But you guessed it, more bloody rain. And it's not a light drizzle. It feels like tiny needles when it hits your skin. Bro, it's been pissing like this all day. So I'm just trying to make it to Khao Sok, dude. I've been trying to film more things, but with the pissing rain, the wet roads, the distance that I have to cover today, and not be able to freaking use my phone when it's wet, sometimes, you know, just fucking glitches the fuck out. I'm just trying to make it to Khao Sok in one piece, so I'm going to try and stitch together as many videos that I take together. I can't even speak, bro. I was actually starting to feel pretty demotivated, and I was starting to question if this trip was still worth it, and if I should just turn around and start heading home. But then I saw a sign for Tangan Waterfall, and that name sounded familiar. So I kinda quickly debated with myself about whether it was worth the detour, and I'm so glad I decided to make that turn. So we're about 100 km away from Khao Sok, and I just saw a sign for a waterfall that I had heard before, Tangan Waterfall, and it was a few kilometers drive off the main road, and I've been walking for about 10 minutes after I entered the national park. Entry is 100 baht and 20 baht for your motorbike parking. And I don't know when we're gonna get to the waterfall, but it is so beautiful out here. It's so quiet. I think we're getting close. How's my hair? We made it. Holy shit, dude, this is way more intense. This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I was just getting stuck. Look at the spray on this, bro. Holy shit, dog.
soaked, bro. I am soaked. Let's see, I'll try to turn this camera around good. Dude, that is fucking crazy, bro. I can't even film it because my camera just gets soaked as soon as I wipe it. Let's see if I can get this way. That's the only way I can get a little bit of what's going on. Oh my. Dude, this is... That's insane, bro. I'm soaked, I got nothing, bro. Look at that camera, bro. Dude, this isn't even from the rain, this is just from the waterfall. The spray of the waterfall. Oh my god, dude. So we came on holiday for the islands, but it ended up getting pissing rain, adventure, and waterfalls. And dude, I can't. Oh my god, aren't we just lucky that things turned out that way?
By this point, I didn't have a plan anymore. I made it to Khao Sok, 600 kilometers of riding through the rain, but now what? So I just kept driving around, following the road along the mountains. At least I still had an authentic Thai farm stay to look forward to. Except it wasn't an authentic Thai farm stay. It was run by a single old foreign guy. And to be honest, he was still really sweet and very welcoming. But when I was expecting a Thai family-run farm stay, and I got him instead, I couldn't help but feel a little bit disappointed. On top of that, there were 2 volunteers staying in the room I booked, and they were told to move and clean the room for me, which they didn't seem happy about either, and they made me aware of how unhappy they were. So I jumped back on my bike and went in search of some good food.
Good morning, day 3, and can you guess what the weather forecast for today is? More rain. Yo, why my voice so deep like that? Sorry about that. Yeah, we're gonna go just adventuring more today. Looking around Khao Sok. I wanna go tubing down the river, and I wanna go for a hike. That's the plan for today. And I really want to find some dirt roads to take Pegasus on. She's made for the off-road, so I really want to find some off the beaten tracks and see some adventure on that little motorbike. ครับข้าวหาเต็ม
Cao hoa tim tặng.
ใช่ครับ
Mày này cao.
ยังไม่รู้
Hả?
ยังไม่รู้
Nắng mới lú.
เขตชิว
Chiêu màจากไหนครับ
ๆอะไรนะ
มาจากไหนอ่ะ
มาจากหัวหิน
อ๋อมาจากหัวหินชิวมาถึงพนมเลย90 บาทจ้า
ขอบคุณนะครับ
It finally looked like the sun was coming out and things were looking up for me.
Dude, this is not even 10 minutes later, and it's pissed.
That was the moment I lost all my motivation to keep going. I was tired, wet, cold, and honestly, I just wasn't having fun anymore. One day of riding to the pissing rain is an adventure. 2 days can still be fun, but 3 days, I was over it. So I decided to turn Pegasus around and I started heading home. Another 600 kilometers from Surat Thani to Hua Hin. Not exactly how I wanted to end my trip, but as a wise man once said, it do be like that sometimes.